lentil, white lentil, dal mash, curry leaves, green chili, sweet potato, drumstick, brinjal, potato, ladyfinger, pumpkin, carrot, onion, tomato, garlic, ginger, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, sambar masala, and dosa water. And some salt I forgot, and these seeds I don't know the name. It seems like a methi seed. First you need to make your pot little bit hot. After that add cooking oil 2 to 3 teaspoons. After that add onion, garlic and ginger and stir it slowly. After 1-2 minutes add dal and all vegetables and put little salt, and after that cover your pot for 1 to 2. Keep stirring it after 2 to 3 minutes so that it will cook like that. When you feel potatoes are little bit cooked, after that you can add other masalas. Keep stirring your vegetables until they're little cooked, and after that we are going to add masala to it. As you can see from the texture, you can feel that potato is little bit cooked. I think this is the right time to add masalas. This is a super vibrant vegetable curry which has lot of vitamins, minerals, proteins in it, and this is why vegetarian people in India survive from so long. This will give you all the basic minerals, vitamins and proteins for your daily requirements. Usually people in India, South India, they eat this curry in breakfast with dosa, which is rice bread. Add more or less lentils depending upon your choice, because once this curry is cooked, this lentil will dissolve in your curry and it will give a thick texture to your curry. So some people add more dal, some people add less dal. It depends on your taste. You can choose any sambar masala for your curry. I just bought this because it was available in my grocery. Ingredients of these masalas are chili, gram dal, black grain, fenugreek, Kashmiri chili, salt, turmeric and curry leaf. These are the recommended masalas for this curry. However, you can include some extra masalas if you want, like coriander powder, cumin powder or red chili as per your. Going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half spoon of coriander powder. This is almost 1 spoon of red chili, which is extra I am going to add. 3 to 4 spoons of sambar masala. Again, it depends on your taste. Some people like very strong sambar masala taste, some don't like, so you can increase quantity. So this is almost 3 spoons of sambar masala. Stir it very well until all masalas are equally mixed in your curry. After adding masalas and stirring it very well, you need to add 2 to 3 cups of water and mix everything. I already added curry leaves as well. And now I will stir it a little bit and I will add coriander leaves. Don't add all water at once. Instead, keep adding little by little unless your all vegetables are cooked. So probably the hardest vegetable to cook here is carrot, and we'll see if it's cooked. That means everything is cooked. You can check it like this. Yeah, it's cooked. We are all good. Our sambar is ready to serve.